Welcome back, my fellow charmers. We have this month's daily charm box and I cannot wait to crack this open with you guys. So before I get started, if you like this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. Okay, let's see what we got. Ah, isn't it beautiful? They have the best, I don't know what you would call it, crinkle paper. I keep it every single month because it is so cute. Here is a quick overview of what's in the box, and already I can see I'm gonna love this. So Daily Charm likes to throw in bonus items, and this is one of them. These are daisy hair clips and they retail for $3. By the way, I do have the card that comes with the box with all the items on it, so I will let you know whether they are available, limited edition, or if they have not launched yet. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think this is the Pink Stone Studs mix, and this is a limited edition item. And it is so funny because I just received this item in a colorful July mystery box. So I thought, what are the chances? These are delicate butterfly studs, and they are available on the site. And these are just so good to have. They're very easy to work with, and it is a great way to spice up a nail. This is another limited edition item, which means you can only get in this box. And this is the glass nail file. I've been wanting a glass nail file for a while now, so I'm glad I got this. I'm just taking a guess on this next one, but I think this one is a mystery charm mix, and it says it's limited edition. Yeah, so it just has a bunch of random charms, and look at how pretty they are. These are beautiful. I really love these, and there's even like a little shoe, a little heel down there, if you can see. The charms from Daily Charm are just so beautiful. They always look so high quality, and I never want to use them. I just want to keep them. This next adorable set is the Resin Cabochon mix, and it's limited edition. It is a mix of iridescent bows, butterflies, and flowers, and there's this cute little heart down there that looks like a little butt. I thought that was so cute. Okay, so this is another bonus item, and these are the Pastel Rainbow Mini Pearls. I love these so much. I love using pearls, and now having rainbow pearls, I am so excited. These are so cute. Speaking of stunning, we have the Twinkle Twinkle Rhinestones, and this one is a limited and new. Interesting. It says this one's a new and limited edition, so I'm assuming the limited edition is this mixture, and they're gonna come out with the colors individually. I'm assuming that's what the new means. Next, we got 2 packs of stickers. This first one is the Butterfly Garden sticker. Super pretty, super dainty. I love these. And then we have the Spring Tulip sticker, which I am apparently holding upside down, but I love the little hearts here, how they have the images in it. And it looks like both of these stickers are on the website. Our next 2 items are glitters, and this first one is the Cherry Blossom glitter, which is definitely my fave, and this is a pink holographic glitter. Stunning. And then this next one is the Dreamy Fairy Dust glitter, which has pink and green iridescent sparkles. Very pretty. And you can currently get both of these on their website as well. We have one more bonus item here, and these are Hydrangea Petals. It says pieces of real flower petals for a classic milk bath nails. I was excited to get this because I don't have anything like this, so I'm glad to have it in my collection now. And these are always fun to have. These are the glass film Aurora paper. So these are pre-cut pink rainbow glass papers, and these are limited edition. Aurora nails are really big, so I'm excited to have this. And it's even better that it is pre-cut, so I don't have to worry about that. These next couple items are so cute. This one is the Aurora Squoval glass gems. Look at how pretty these are. I'm glad we got a couple of each color, so we can use it for an actual set rather than just one nail. These are so pretty. And speaking of pretty, they look like candy to me. I just want to eat them. This is the Pastel Bullion beads, and this one is a limited edition item. This right here is a new launch, and this is their nail art ink micro pen. We got this adorable pink cuticle pusher, and it looks like it might be on their website already. Yeah, I mean, you can't ever have enough of these, and I don't have one with this type of head, so that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could not believe my eyes. This month's box came with 2 gels. The last time we got a box with 2 gels in it was in October. So excited for these. As you can see, this first one is a color changing gel, and it's in the color Apricot Chiffon. This one has not launched yet. It is launching on the 1st of April. Such a perfect spring/summer color. So this next one is a twinkle gel, and it is in the color Lucky Sunstone. This is part of a new collection that has already launched, actually just recently, and I am highly debating whether or not I should pick up the rest of that collection. I believe I have most, if not all, of their twinkle gels, and so that is why I want to kind of add these just to stay up to date. And they are so beautiful, especially under like the flash of your phone. So reflective. Okay, here are the swatches. So this first 2, the Apricot Chiffon has not been in the UV yet, and this is the twinkle gel without the flash, and this is with the flash and after I put the gel into the UV, so you can see the other color that it changed to. And we are all done with this unboxing of Daily Charme's Spring Charm Box. I loved everything, and if you have not subscribed to this, you need to. You're missing out if you don't. But thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. If you like the video, please give me a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye!